We're at gotomath.com. Click on the algebra. Let's go down to sets. Speaking of sets, I've been setting too long. I believe we're doing 8.2 here. I always forget what the heck we're doing. I think I talked about sets or proper subsets or something like that earlier. No, I didn't mention nothing about a proper subset, did I? Maybe I'll throw that in here in a second. We got let B equal to 7, 6, 8, 3, 1. Is 6 an element of B? So if you've been following along, you should know the answer to this question. 6 an element of B, and you could write it like this. 6 is an element of B, and that is, look for it here, these are all elements of the set, okay? And 6 is in B, and if 6 is in B, then 6 is an element of B, so that is true. And actually, we're answering yes or no. Is 6 an element of B? Yes. Obviously, let's just go ahead and type yes and see what happens. All right. Make sure everything's correct. Click up here, answer. Okay. So as you can see here, this notation. Now, let's talk about it for a second. For example, 10. Is that an element of B? I should have used yes or no, but 10 an element of B? No. 10's not an element of B. Right? So we go, boop, put a line through it. Okay, 10 is not an element of B. Let's see if we can get one to come up that's not an element of, let's clear that. And as you can see there, so 4 is not an element of B, as you can see here. Okay, not an element of B. Now, I'm going to just do an example here of something here. Let's say we had the set A, and let's say in the set A we had a set that contained the set 1, and a set that contained the set 1 and 2, and let's say the set that contained 7. Okay, is 1 an element of A? The answer to that question is no. Okay, no, we'll have to use a different color here. No, right? 1 is not an element of A. Your elements are sets themselves, okay? So for example, 1, 2 is an element of A. 1, 2 is an element of A. Is that confusing or what? But it is, okay? All right, what about this one here? Is a subset of A. Is this a subset of A? And to answer that, no. If we're going to write, this is an element, you see, this is just an element, okay? You have to write, you've got to do this, put it in set notation. See that, put it in brackets. Now this, all right, is actually a subset of A, so now we can write yes. Right, that's a true statement. This is a subset of A. Okay? Alright, so we went a little past what we were supposed to be talking about here, and the reason for that is because I should have probably talked about it earlier. Okay, so that's a little extra bonus there. Alright. Okay. Well, anyway, we're over here at gotomath.com. You need to come on by, check that out, talk to me.